your life is slipping away, one notification at a time. Did you know you're giving away 4.5 hours of your life every single day? That's right, the average person checks their smartphone 96 times per day, once every 10 minutes they're awake. But why? Why are we so addicted? Well, it's simple. You're not using these apps, they are using you. Tech giants like Meta, the owners of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, they offer their platforms for free for one reason: because you are the product. Every scroll, every pause, every click, every comment and share, it's all gold, your behavioral gold that they mine and sell to the highest bidder. This isn't by accident. These companies study addiction psychology. They implement casino-like features deliberately designed to keep you scrolling. They're hijacking your attention because your attention equals their profit, and they're winning. And the scariest part is that you don't even see it's happening. You think you're just having fun, staying connected, checking in with friends. But behind every like is an algorithm learning exactly how to keep you hooked. Now, let that sink in for a moment. Now, remember those 4.5 hours daily I mentioned? That's 27% of your waking life gone. Over a lifetime, you're giving away 12 years to your smartphone. 12 years. Put another way, at an average hourly rate of $41, you're potentially sacrificing $4.4 million in earnings just to scroll. I'll let that number breathe for a second. But here's the thing about time versus money. As Harvey Mackay puts it, time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can't keep it, but you can spend it. Once you've lost it, you can never get it back. Back in 2011, I enrolled in a university communication degree with absolutely no idea why I was there. Every class felt like punishment. Every assignment was torture. And in the meantime, the distractions were everywhere. My friends, video games, weed, usually all three combined, right? And guess what won most nights? It's definitely not my homework. And this cycle continued because I had zero clarity about my goals or priorities. I was in university because I thought it would lead to some vague, successful future. But what did that even mean? Without the clarity, the immediate dopamine hit always won. And this is the hidden power of clarity. With it, your life becomes intentional. But without it, you're just a puppet dancing on a string you can't even see. So ask yourself, what kind of life do you actually want? Who will you spend time with? What will you learn daily? How will you care for your mind and your body? These aren't questions our schools teach us to answer, but they're the only questions that really matter. So if you're ready to reclaim your attention, your life, here are 4 steps to gaining clarity. Number 1, do a digital reset. For 7 days, delete social media apps from your phone. Turn off all non-urgent notifications. Put your phone in a drawer when you get home. Instead, read that book that's been collecting dust, for so many months or even years. Have dinner with friends without having to document it, taking pictures, right? Go for a walk without your earbuds. Cook a meal from scratch. When my clients do this, they typically report feeling very anxious for the first 48 hours, right? But then strangely, they feel liberated. And you'll be shocked how little you actually miss your tech. Now, I've created a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this, and I'll put a link in the description. Number 2 is to identify your true priorities by asking yourself these exact questions. What would I regret not doing in the next 5 years? Whose opinion of me actually matters? What activity makes me lose track of time in a good way? Now, don't rush this. Write down your answers. Then ask why 5 times for each one, because this peels back the layers until you hit what truly matters. Now, one of my clients discovered her social media addiction was masking a deeper desire to create art, something she had abandoned years ago. So what will it be for you? What's the thing that you can uncover that could replace all this mindless scrolling and consumption of information and actually start creating something? Number 3 is to develop guiding principles. Just think of them as your personal constitution, right? Write down 3 to 5 non-negotiable rules for yourself. And some of the examples of mine are that I spend the first hour of my day without screens, and I meditate before doing anything else. Also, my phone is on Do Not Disturb until noon every single day. And these are not just wants or nice to haves. These are rules that actually help you make better choices without having to think too hard about them. Are you getting this? And finally, number 4 is to transform these principles into daily habits through deliberate practice. For example, if your principle is health comes first, then your habit might be a 10-minute morning workout before touching your phone. And you just have to start impossibly small. So small that you can't say no. As Frederick Matthias Alexander said, people do not decide their futures, they decide their habits. And their habits decide their futures. So there you go, 4 steps that can transform everything. But let me be brutally honest with you. Most people watching this right now, they will simply click the next video. You'll probably think, I should do this tomorrow. And then tomorrow never comes. But I'm challenging you to be different. When this video ends, don't watch another one. Don't keep scrolling. Instead, take a walk. Ask yourselves these hard questions. Pull out ChatGPT. Use the microphone feature to speak out loud and record what matters. Use Otter. Use whatever voice capture device. Just make one concrete plan for change, because 12 years is too much life to give away by accident. And you can get back those 12 years simply by starting now. And I mean now. What are you waiting for, man? Turn it off. I'm just gonna wait here so that the next video doesn't automatically start. And you can turn off the video and you can start doing this. Does that sound okay? Still waiting. Come on, man, turn it off. Let's get to work. I'm serious. Turn it off.